welcome back.
I'm Brian.
I'm Roxanne.
Welcome back to Brock's. I don't know.
Time with Brock's. Again.
Right.
Okay, so today we're going to do our hand in the egg roll.
Yeah. Both pry hands, but.
So, what you going to need? Egg roll wraps.
Yes.
We need
carrots.
Carrots. We're going to dice those up. Cabbage.
Got ourselves some
Pork sausage.
Yes.
And we're going to make it a little healthier with some turkey. Ground turkey.
Got
Salt and pepper to taste. This is pure black sesame oil, and this is very nutty. I like to add
kinda
that
like me.
it's so good. Yes, just like you. And we're doing soy sauce, the light
soy
kind.
sauce.
The light kind. So,
and we have some garlic.
yeah, we're going to add a little bit of garlic to it just for flavor because this is our version and that's how we like it.
Garlic.
So, what we did, or what Brian did here, is he cut a carrot into little matchsticks first.
Yeah.
And what he's going to do is he's going to chop them into kind of really small pieces here.
Yeah, it's going to be cooked. So, probably should do a little bit less than that. So,
I'm going to bring this over
digits
here now.
off.
So he's going to just chop these up into small pieces. Mm-hmm. And we won't bore you with the details.
Yeah. So y'all know how to chop.
We'll be back when this is done. All right, so we did about three carrots here. Here it is all chopped up. And we're going to throw it in our bowl. It's easier to slice them off and then chop them your cabbage. So we're just going to chop these really, really fine. And again, we're not going to bore you with the details on chopping up cabbage. But if you do them slice by slice, it's easier. Okay, so here he has all the cabbage and the carrots all chopped up, tiny pieces. And we're going to do a couple garlic. We're going to just add a couple garlics. We're going to just smash that in there. All right, so here's Brian. He's chopping up the little garlics. The two little garlics. And he's having a great time doing this.
I am. It's fun.
He's like, what the hell? So you want to make it pretty small. If you have a garlic mincer, or whatever you call them, you can use that. Might be easier. We could not find ours, so we're chopping them really tiny. It's just for flavor anyways. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cook up the ground turkey first. And we're going to get it in a warm pan. And this is where we're going to put a little bit of this sesame oil in it. This sesame oil. Give us some flavor because turkey has no flavor. So we're going to brown that up and then we're going to add the pork, the ground pork to it and cook it all up. And we're going to smash it while it's cooking. Oh, that sesame oil smells so good.
It does.
Alrighty. So we'll let this brown up. Okay, so this is steaming up my lens here, but we have this sausage cooked and the turkey cooked, and we're just crumbling up into small pieces. And then we're going to add all the veggies to this and let it cook down. Alright, so that already looks small for me. So we're dumping all the cabbage and the carrots and the garlic in here. And we're going to let this all soften up and cook. Simmer down.
Simmer down.
Simmer down. Does that look yummy or what? And actually with the sausage, we really don't need to add any salt. But we'll add a little pepper to this. And we're going to add the soy sauce. We'll go about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in there. A little more. That's probably 1. All right, so we'll let that mix. We're going to add just a little bit more of this sesame oil because the flavor is so awesome. There you go. Awesome. Okay, we're going to put a lid on it and we're going to let this simmer down until all the veggies are soft. Okay, so the cabbage and the carrots are all softened up. So we're going to shut the heat off and we're going to let this cool down enough so that we can put it in our wraps, our egg roll wraps. Okay, so we let this cool, the meat mixture cool a little. Now we're going to take our wraps and we're going to do some wraps.
Even though I can't sing.
And we need to open these. Okay, this is us trying to open our packages of egg roll wraps. Okay, and they're already floured.
Yeah.
All right, so you want to come down here.
Well, you can reach it.
All right. So, okay, so take, I got more than one. Got more than one. You got to make sure you only have one. All right, so put it in the middle. I'm going to show you the easiest way I found. So put like a couple scoops in the middle and flatten it. And want a little bit more. You want them kind of hearty.
How's that?
Okay, so I'm going to wrap it. Oh, we need an egg wash. All right, so forgot about the egg wash. So you just put a little bit of water in with one egg and, like mix it together. Okay, so I just put it all the way around the edges. I'm not saying this is right or wrong. This is the way I do it. Okay. So fold this corner in like a present. Push it back. Take your corners. Fold those in. Now I put a little bit more egg wash on these corners because they tend to puff out. And then we're just gonna roll that. Push the sides together. And there's perfect little cute little egg roll. Oh, look at that. All right, so we got a whole bunch more of these to do. We'll do one more on film and then we will not bore you. Oh, that smells so good. Okay. Egg wash. Fold. Push back. Flip your corners in and roll. And there we go. Another perfect egg roll. All right, we got more to do. And okay, so we have all of them wrapped. And here we fried up some, and we'll show you how to fry them up. Let me get over here. So we just added olive oil and some sesame oil, heated it up in the pan. Yes, it's brown because that's what happens when you fry.
Right.
So you just stick them in there. You can also do this in a deep fryer, but it's just faster and easier for us to do it in a fry pan. So what you want to do is just wait until they're browned, and then you're going to flip them. And then nice and golden brown like those. Get them all nice and crispy. It'll take a few minutes. Do 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 do. Yeah, you don't want the heat on too high because you don't want them to burn. And look how lovely those look. All right. So here's our egg rolls. They look gorgeous. And I'm sure they taste gorgeous, so we're going to try one out. Hot off the press. We're going to cut one in half. How's that look, people? Does that look like a yummy egg roll? Let's try it. Now you can get dipping sauce if you want.
Yeah. Cheers.
Yummy.
Oh, it's very good.
Tastes like a authentic egg roll. So, try it out.
Yeah. Let us know what you think.
Feed a crowd.
Good for football. Good for anything.
Yeah, nice finger food. So, thanks again for joining us. I'm with Brock. This is Brian. And I'm Roxanne.
Thanks for being with us.
Subscribe to our channel.
Please.
All right. See you later.
Bye-bye. You get it?
Yummy. Yum, yum.
Those are good.